Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a brand new LinkedIn update that lets you control whether organizations can see when you visit their LinkedIn page. If you want to network more openly or simply keep track of your visibility, this feature is for you. Let's walk through the steps to enable this setting on your PC. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture labeled as the Me icon. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your LinkedIn account preferences. On the left-hand side, you'll see several options. Click on Visibility. This section controls how you appear and interact on LinkedIn. Within the Visibility menu, scroll down until you find Page Visit Visibility. Click on it to open more detailed settings. Here's where the new update comes into play. You'll see an option labeled Allow Organizations to See When You Visit Their LinkedIn Page. By default, this might be turned off, keeping your visits private. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch to turn it on. Once activated, organizations will be notified when you visit their LinkedIn page. This can be a great way to show interest in a company, connect with recruiters, or make your networking efforts more transparent. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can now control your visibility when browsing organizational pages on LinkedIn. This update gives you more flexibility in how you engage with companies and can open up new networking opportunities. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.